Hello everyone. I thought I would do something a bit different today, and I've got this large wooden heart that I'm going to decorate. Now it did have a piece of string which I have removed, but I'll put it back afterwards. And I'm using this pad of paper stroke card, and it's vintage designs, and I'm going to actually use this butterfly one. And it's double-sided, so lots of choice. And this pad I got from the works. I've got quite a lot of them, and they are so pretty. Let me show you. Ooh, it's upside down, but see how pretty they are. And they're only £4 for a large pad. So that's the works, which is in the UK. And I have lots of different, I'm going to do something a bit shabby chic, but I've got lots of buttons, and I've got these dolphin buttons. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use them, but they are like a shabby chic. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play around and do something different today. That's a birthday cake button. And then I came across these large butterflies, and they did originally have clips on the back of them, some wooden clips, which I've taken off. So again, probably going to use those. I think they go better on that. I was originally going to use, I'll just try and find it to show you. It was a very pretty floral colour, but the butterflies wouldn't show. So that was a no. So I've decided to use this one. So I'm going to take my heart, put it down there, so I'm not going to waste lots of paper, and I can reuse the paper again. This is the back of the paper that I'm using. So I'll just get a pen and just draw around the outside. This is just a simple heart that I'm doing, nothing elaborate. I was just playing around on a Saturday afternoon. I've got some PVA glue, which I believe in the US, because I do have lots of US watches, you call it Elmer's glue. Just mark the hole. And then take the scissors and cut it out. Then we take some glue, PVA glue, Then take a pen and make a hole in the card for the string to go through. Then glue to the wooden heart. I hope you're having a lovely Saturday afternoon. I'm actually doing a voiceover because I've got lots of washing to catch up on and you wouldn't be able to hear what I'm saying, hence the voiceover. And here's the butterflies. Just playing around to see what will go. Let me know if you have containers of buttons. I know it's something my grandmother used to have. I do like those butterflies. I've got lots more upstairs, so I'll have to think of some more projects I can do with them. Those are pink wooden buttons. I'm not sure. What would you do? Would you have more? Would you leave the buttons or use possibly those cake buttons? I think I'll just leave it like that. Less is more. Just glue them on. It does dry clear. A few little bubbles. But it's just for me, it's fine. Can always get something like a credit card and just take some of the bubbles out if they come up. Here's those dolphins. I was just seeing what they look like. I think I've got some blue floral buttons, dolphins as well. Let's see what those look like. Nope, that's red. There's a blue one. No, I don't think that works. No, we'll take them off. Yeah, I think I prefer them without. So I will leave this to dry now, and then once dry I will attach the string. So a couple of hours later, here's the finished product. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.